All right, guys, this is Mark's Dirtworks here. So, these are definitely some of the easiest, most profitable jobs when you're first getting started in your grading or small excavating company. Do driveways. They're simple, they're easy, there's not a lot of liability, and they're extremely profitable if you bid them correctly and you can get in and get out. When I first got started, I could do 2, 3 driveways in a day all by myself. I'd haul my own material. I'd spread and grade all of the crushed concrete or crushed asphalt. We typically do about, if it's just a resurface for an old gravel driveway, we'll do about 3 inches of crush. But if it's a brand new driveway, then typically we'll do about 6 to 8 inches of sand and about 6 inches of crush, and usually last pretty well. But these are definitely easy, good jobs to get into if you're just starting out.